Welcome! Every product that you see around still needs an improvement, and therefore it is an opportunity for you to look for that improvement and create your own business out of that product. Don't reinvent the wheel, just improve the color, the texture, the taste, the packaging, and then your business is ready to go into the market. There is nothing wrong to copy somebody if what you are copying is not against any of the rules and regulations of the creator who created heaven and earth. In order to start a business, you need an idea to produce a product or provide a service. The only way you can have financial freedom is to provide a service or a product which is useful and needed in the market. When you go to the market, open your eyes. Not opening your eyes to see half-naked women, but open your eyes to see product, and think about how to improve upon it, to create business out of it. Not opening your eyes for Brazilian hair and short skirts and unnecessary dressing, but open your eyes for product that can be improved upon and that can be produced in a large quantity. After having an idea of producing a product, you have to think about the packaging, how you are going to package it to the market. Depending on your product, you don't need sophisticated machines for your packaging. There are manual and simple machines for packaging your product. One of the simple and cheap packaging machines you would need is impulse sealer and heat gun. The heat gun is for shrinking wrap or plastic, and it is also for the security of your food or for your product. You can use customized plastic or wrap on your product as your security seal. The impulse sealing machine too is good for sealing or packaging powdery or solid products. You can use the impulse sealer to seal products like powder pepper or dried pepper, granules, beans, etc. If today is your first time of watching this Safubafos channel, please subscribe, like and comment. It is God who has sent you here. After watching series of my videos, you are going to be able to open your own business. You are going to be able to start your own business and be your own boss and have that financial freedom. To start business, you need an idea. An idea can come from any place, anywhere, unexpectedly. Business idea can come from a chat that you had with your friend. It can come from a shop that you visited. It can come from any place. It can come from a post that you saw on a Facebook. It can come from a video that you watched from Safubafo or any video from any channel. It can come from any place. So you have to be vigilant. You have to be ready to accept any opportunity that comes on your way. There are many opportunities around us, but we only see things we want to see. Ideas are worthless unless you take action after seeing the opportunity in it. Many people have great ideas, but they still have it in their duku or intumam or clothes, all because they have refused to take action to bring it into reality. If I'm able to do it, you too can do it. I'm not a magician. I'm not specially created. I'm also a human being like you. We were all created in the image of God. You too can do it. Everything starts with the mindset. That's why you have to control the media. Don't allow the media to control you. You have to choose what you see. You have to choose what you watch. You have to choose what you hear. You have to choose what you listen. As a man thinks, so he is. Things you see, things you hear, things you smell forms how you think. Things you choose to read all form part of how you think. If you listen to reggae, all your philosophy would be about reggae. If you listen to political shows on radio, all your philosophy would be about who should win, who should do this, or who should do that. All your philosophy will be about politics. Show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. If wasting your time to watch football all the time, I can tell you who you are. If listening to political talk show and defending corrupted officials all the time, I can tell you who you are. If you spend your time to read the Bible, watch how to start your business, how to have your financial freedom, read on time management, read on money management, then I can really tell who you are. People stop learning too soon. As soon as they finish school, they stop learning. Solomon said, never stop learning. Thank you. Bye bye.